Welcome. In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Book4, and in this video I will show you how to check manufacture date of this laptop. So the manufacture date is located on the back cover of your device. So let's close the lid and let me show you the back cover closer. And as you can see, right here we got the date 11/2023. So this laptop was manufactured in November 2023. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.